Antonyms are words with opposite in meaning. Here are the examples. Left, right, happy, sad, old, young, full, empty, big, small, stand, sit, hot, cold, boy, girl, push, pull, front, back, dry, wet, fast, slow, day, night, light, heavy, high, low, sharp, blunt, dirty, clean, open, close, few, several, short, long, thick, thin, rough, smooth, sick, healthy, first, last, inside, outside, sleep, awake, quiet, loud, over, under, hard, soft, deep, shallow, wide, narrow, near, far. Activity 1. Match the opposite words. Activity 2. Read each sentence. Circle the word that means the opposite as the underlined word. 1. The snake is long. The underline word in the sentence is long. What is the opposite of long? Good job. The answer is short. 2. The dog is wet. What is the opposite of wet? Great. The answer is dry. 3. The television is loud. What is the opposite of loud? Very good. The answer is quiet. 4. The school is far. What is the opposite of far? Great job. The answer is near. 5. The door is closed. What is the opposite of closed? Excellent. The answer is open.